Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the number itself. Send a quick SMS to confirm it works. Once done, open the app that shows Number Unavailable and go straight to your profile settings. You need to check app permissions for contacts, phone, and SMS. Grant them if any are missing. If permissions are already granted, force close the app and restart your phone to clear a transient state. These steps eliminate most basic blocks and prepare you to fix configuration issues within the app. You now inspect the account details. Make sure the phone entry exactly matches your carrier record, including country code and no extra characters. Next, resync contacts and account data. Go to account settings and trigger manual sync, and if problems persist, clear the app cache or app data note. Data reset may require re-login. Also examine in-app sharing toggles and any carrier privacy services or call ID blockers that could suppress number sharing. Disabling those often restores visibility to recipients. Finish by re-registering or re-verifying the number inside the app. Request a fresh verification SMS or call and complete it. Once verified, try sharing the number with several contacts and on different networks to see if the issue is isolated or universal. If it still fails, collect timestamps, screenshots, and any error messages, then contact the app support and your carrier. One key troubleshooting tip: enable diagnostic logging in the app or take a screen record.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.